Okay, stream, I'm back. Sorry about that. I realize I keep forgetting anytime my computer like kind of freezes up like that, hard drive locks up, I lose all my audio, and stream apps have to reset it. So, excuse me. Apologies about that. What I was saying was I'm definitely not happy with how this looks right now. It's closer. I think I still like not changing out the header image. I may go with something that is I may go like something like split in the middle, like a diagonal, have like the picture on the left, and then have you know, the text, the headers and everything on the right. Maybe. I think it's impossible to find an email that's not existed on Gmail. Look, everything's taken. And then what I was going to do next is work on a chat integration. As you can tell, it's kind of all over the place, but we'll get there. Okay, so we want to create a password. .197 BBD. Okay, so Tadio does have their own plugin. We'll download. I think I can do everything I want to do for free. Very strong reviews too. That's awesome. That's good for the WordPress repository. That's super strong. That's me to create an account. Oh, whoops. Wrong password. Okay. We've done this. Didn't stick. That's fine. And for the color, we had we're just gonna pull it from this palette. 197 BBD is what we want to do. Solve, increase, talk. They don't want really anything to do with automation, but they definitely want to. I don't know. Problems is loose. Biggest thing is just answering questions. To me, like in this case, I'm saying a customer problem is someone like a lead looking to ask a question, but not really the case. We're gonna do just nice friendly greeting. I'm fine. Okay, awesome. We'll eventually need to make sure we do that. Let me okay. Cool. So this is the free plan. Let me just go back here. So I guess there's no like inbox management on here. I guess you have to do everything from the dashboard. So I guess that would mean there's a way to add my button here. Okay, so the chat is working. I don't know. Let me see what they wanted for this. I think that newsletter was just them. I would like to change that to, okay, so here it is. Don't need that. we have to disable first. Okay. Let's add I had these images downloaded, but we can get them. Same as earlier, I'm not sure what's gonna pop up here. I'll hide this really fast. Also, I'm standing because I cannot wake up. What a full day. I really need to get some of this done. Okay, so here's what we have. We have this logo. We have this logo. Different version, and then we have this logo. So I think we'll go with just these three. I mean, I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory that we do Yamahas. We have this Yamaha, so what we're gonna do. I doubt these are vectors. Yeah, no, that's sad. That feels bad, man. Oops. Wanted to do this here. Here's probably the closest we can get. Okay. Biggest thing is getting the height lined up. Looks pretty darn even. Okay, that's perfect. And then we want to do this one's not going to look as good. It doesn't look good, obviously, but it's just going to be a bit different compared to everything else. I think I might do this one in the middle. Let's see how big. $109 by $159. Be perfect. Yamalube. We're gonna do 5-star cert. And last but not least, Yamaha engine. Oh, we are barely like We're gonna be pixels off, so that's perfect. We can go in and tweak that as we go. So we're gonna do a global row for this. They wanted it to be moved up higher, so kind of like the idea of having it honestly just up here. Since we're adding the slider, we're getting a taste of what they offer. We'll have the services button. So let's just go ahead and do this here, I think. I can drag this up actually. I think these icons or these certifications in general, I think people know what this is and know what they're going to offer. Start with this one. This is about the chatbot can get annoying. Why are you still on? There we go. Nope. Maybe if we say, let's go ahead and do this while we're in here. I think what we'll have to do, instead of having like summer, all that, I think we'll have to, make a mental note to change this with the season, which is not hard. Okay, so it's 4. Seven a.m. to 4. Saturdays offline, perfect. So technically, it should change. I'm done with the app because the biggest thing the client wanted was like mobile app support, or be able to be texted essentially. So what we can do, I'm going to test. I'm pretty sure when we have the app, all they have to do is sign into their account, and then they'll be able to, gonna be a paid feature because I don't know why they don't have text here, but we'll see. I wonder if you can only talk back and forth, which would suck. Shit, this shouldn't even be on here. It should be after hours. I'm logging in now. So, default install. I'm gonna take this. Hello, testing mobile notification. Look at that, new chat request. That's really cool. Okay, that's exactly what they're looking for. Then I get the option to join it or let it go. Hit join. Hello yourself. Cool, very cool. And it has direct messenger Instagram integration, so that's good. So, yeah, it's really good. I'm glad that worked out. Something I'm gonna need to do though is sidebar appearance. I want to find a way to chat lead info with phone or name instead of email. We're keeping the about page fairly light for now. They just really don't have that much to put on here. They're still very new, just getting started. You want to get their feet wet, all that. Go ahead and change these. Kind of skipping around a lot. You want to use this instead of the anchors, which I think is really, so it's going to look really good. 1x should be fine. I was working with some different layouts here. I think I'll keep some of them, just in case they do, you know, if they ever do want to come back. Okay, so you know, when I was looking through my notes trying to find the notes about if they wanted the first name or phone number, I left a little pinned comment right here and I found it. It's preferred only first name. So hopefully we can do that. Surely if we pay, we can. So similar to now showing like the width settings, the row, the column settings, we can do icon settings. This is just for the icon module itself. So what we can do is go to icon settings. We go to style, general. And we may have to add our own here, which is fine. Not exactly what I was looking for. It could work. I think I know how to do this. I think I can go. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? What they classify as a set, though, could be an issue. Oh, that's big. Okay, so do I just need to zip it? Ontello seems a lot easier. Oh, okay, I can do custom SVGs. So let's do that. Name? Yeah, looks great. And then Download here, then upload the zip. I didn't know. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so now I can show. Yeah, so we go to here, general. There it is. We can hit save, and now we can go copy icon sets, and you guessed it, copy pasta. Oh wait, I got way too giddy. Forgot it's gonna change the text. We'll go the old-fashioned way. Because by the time, it saves some more time. I can always just start like pre-filtering here. That way I only have one thing to click. And you can see I'm going to hit save sometimes, and other times I'm going straight to the next icon. It does a really good job saving automatically. If you ever run into an issue where like you can't jump between modules like this without it like messing up, freezing, not saving stuff, definitely look at your hosting, your server settings. If you're like on a shared hosting environment, not gonna be the best. I did though see SiteGround's like base WordPress plan now has managed hosting, which is awesome, and it's a lot cheaper than I'm paying right now. So I think I want to, yeah, I want to center all these. Wait, no, that's why I didn't center them last time. That's right. I at first had them centered and then ran into the issue of character length. Yeah, what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. And then I'm going to finish what I started here. Even though that may not let me still. I'm gonna try it though. We're gonna deactivate that plugin for now. We've done our testing. It looks good. But yeah, that's annoying. There we go, finally. I'm nervous of how all these are gonna fit, but I think they're gonna be fine. I think the highest one, perfect. Yeah, the highest one was the center one here. If they come back, if they want a fourth one, I'm not crazy about doing stuff in fourths, like the thirds. But you can certainly add just a plain Yamaha if they want to. Okay, so what I was going to do is I'll go ahead and build it here. Actually, this is fine. So I'm going to save this as, I'm going to save this entire row. Last time I did a module, I wanted to save this row. We're going to call it cert row. We're going to make it global. What I'm going to do, let's get rid of this. We'll add something here because I don't like having that ends here. What I was thinking is we can go ahead and do this. One of like the most outdated things with WordPress is like form styling and everything still, which is kind of crazy. What I'd like to do, okay, we're gonna do this. Let's just see how it looks. So we're gonna go. Wow, really messed that all my designs tend to like gravitate towards like the same kind of layout and structure. I want to start changing that. But that looks like complete, just not good, does it? Okay, well, we can tweak it some more. So what we did. I'm thinking. Making this. Oh, it's easier. You can go seat down here and see it. Making this like a little toggle box would be better if I can do both lines for this. I'm trying to just condense this whole overall size. Look at our forms. I want to try to drop down. What? Oh, okay. Wow, that's really nice. So, I was saying I want to split this. Wow. Yeah, so in the old Gravity forums, which is like probably one of the most popular plugins for WordPress, in the old version, it was you had to like add some code itself to split things up like this. But this is nice. So this being said, I'd like to keep the buttons here. Let's just split them. We can go maybe 1/3, 1/4 probably fine. And then we can 3/4 would be a nice little perfect fit. Math is hard, maybe. I kind of want to do just one name. you can't. I was excited to see the button worked how I was thinking it would, but ooh, what happened here? Yikes. So it was really only messed up. I say only. Oh, it was the default styling, so it's putting all the headings and any kind of label, modifiers or whatnot. Gotcha. Okay, let's try this again. I'd really like to do this. I'm envisioning something. This is why after this project, I'm excited to get back to, full designs and everything. The wireframes. Where'd that go? We're gonna just get rid of. What if we just did like a solid color? Let's just for now. We'll sure. And then what I'm thinking about doing is I'd like to do. Obviously, we go header here. Do certified. And then I'm trying to use more of like the space as we go down versus just having this form all the way down. You just scroll. I think it'd be cool, like, start the side up top, having like the slash for like the picture, and then the slider with the info. And we can do the opposite way, slash down at the bottom for the footer possibly. So here's where things may get a little tricky. Can we do something like the Tennessee state flag in a sense? Like do Excuse me. It's maybe the perfect amount of space. Possibly. And then we want to do if we size this icon right, kind of small. I think what I'm gonna try to do, I almost did this to start. This is kind of a cool trick you can do. No. What if we just... Two things. We're gonna try to export this at 3x. And then if that's still not right, we can always just resize it. I'm trying not to resize it. Try not to resize the entire image unless we absolutely have to. If desperate times call for desperate measures. Dang, I only got... Did not notice that. I'm confused. Okay. Oh, just a thumbnail. Okay. Looks better. So now the question would be, I like that. I wonder if, okay, so we've seen the 3-column layout. I think it's gonna be too big now. Maybe not. So we can do something like this, equalize those heights. Since this is so long, what I like to do for these, we're gonna do new lines. As I'm spending more time with this, I'm trying to figure out, so that, like, let's say, for instance, I'm trying to get this text to be narrower, like little, like squeezed in. And I have a few different ways I could do it. Kind of like, there's multiple ways to do a bunch of stuff. Trying to figure out the most optimal way from, just a infrastructure, like tech side, building side, optimization, user experience, things like that. Because like here, just trying to, and then if we wanted to really go crazy, almost too hard to read for actual text. That's something you'll find, like, you know, some text looks great for buttons or various things. See, that's almost too black to really make a design difference. Oh, 1 second. Oh, thanks, man. Dude, I need you to come in the top of the stream. Luckily, I was only muted for like 3 minutes. I just got off a phone call. I need you. You're just a great mute police, man. Let's see if this is it. I think it's a box shadow. I know I need to. It's way over here. How's your day, man? Looks like that did it. Oh dang, sorry to hear that. I was wondering why I hadn't seen the stream fire up yet. That explains it. Okay, sweet. Fix it. Okay. So just, I don't know, I need to come back to this later tonight. I'm still not crazy about, well, obviously I gotta come back to this. So waiting on them to send me these. I know this is gonna be a mess on mobile. Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm finally waking up, dude. Not actually waking up, but I kept falling asleep earlier. It's rough. I don't think I even want to do. Yeah, I really think I want to go with the nice standard footer and just have everything pushed to the contact page. I think so. Because I want this to be the footer of all the others. I want to see something. If I can resize this middle image. I don't like that. Yeah, I think that only works whenever they're 2 and 1. Cool, man. I'll see you. I don't know. I may come back. I may stream later tonight. Depends on how dinner goes and everything. I'll be start feeling better though. Migraines are not fun. And while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I can go higher than that, right? I wonder if I can do just by the class. Parks back at you, my guy. Hearts back at you. Absolutely. Let's see what we can do. So I'd love to. Oops. No. There's no way I have to pull each of those out. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Actually, stream. This will be it for me as well. Yep, I'm coming. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Maybe.